So what is Git conflicts? So what is Git conflicts means whenever different people's working on same file. So last class we observed, this is the one project. The project name is Hibernate bulk operation something. In that one folder is there, src main Java. In that we have one package is there, com.starttext.hibernate something is there. Okay. In the package we have different .java files. Okay. You see yap.java. Another one is maybe different .java files are there. Okay. I'm not writing names justly. So previously what happened in this file, Karthik did some changes and pushed it into remote repository. On another file, some other person did changes, push into repository. No problem on that. But now what I'm saying, in the existing file only, one file only, here Lakshmi going to do some changes. Here only Karthik going to do some changes. Okay, in the single file, both people trying to do some changes on that and push it into repository. This is your branch, Karthik branch. This is Lakshmi branch. Up to here, friend. Okay, you people did changes on the same file, but it is going to the different branch. Up to here, no problem. After changes, testing team tested both branches. Okay, your functionality, this functionality is working fine. Okay, working fine. Now, how to deploy into production or different environments, production or UAT, testing, how to do that? These two codes should be merged into single project, single branch. Okay, these two branches will merge to one branch called master. Here we'll go for master, but real time, before that we have another branch develop will create. Okay, these two changes, these two branches merge into one branch, that is master branch. This is existing branch only. Okay, this time what will happen? Karthik also did some changes and Lakshmi also did some changes. These two changes give some conflicts. Conflict means I also did changes, you also did changes. Which changes will be finalized? Okay, which code should be finalized? That is a problem. To avoid that, this is a problem. To resolve that, we have to use the one concept called conflicts resolves. The situation you can call a conflict. We have to resolve that. How to resolve that? We'll go through the both codes. Okay, Karthik code, Lakshmi code, and we'll check. We'll finalize this app.java. Okay, first we'll store Karthik changes, then we'll store Lakshmi changes, then we can finalize, we'll commit into master branch. This master branch will go to the production. Okay, fine. While merging, we may get some issues. Okay, how to decide? Karthik code, Lakshmi branch, which code has to be there? How to decide that? That you need to sit. Okay, which developer did changes on this file? Okay, in real time, companies how to decide which developer did changes. They both people will sit and will identify which code has to be removed, which code has to be should be there. That code will be finalized and stored into master branch. Okay, here I'll cover Git conflict. Okay, I'll cover Git conflict, and there is one more concept, pull request, PR. Simply we can call it PR or MR. Okay, sometimes there is PR will call, sometimes MR. Then fine, you be okay. Fine, here up to here clone is completed, right? First step is clone. Okay, clone is completed already. Next step is do changes on this file. What changes you do? Okay, in the file you have to do changes. You both people has to do changes. What changes you do? In this file only, in the top, you write one even odd program. Okay, simple program I'm giving. That's why in the top, okay, you write one method, even odd program. Okay, another method, prime logic, anything. Okay, I'll show to you that code also. Let me open that. Where it is available? GitHub. Karthik, you write code here. After line number 13, you write one even and odd program. Okay, it's clear, right?
Yes, sir.
After line number 13, you write even and odd program. And Lakshmi, you also write one prime number logic. Okay, prime number or string reverse, where after line number 13 only. Okay. Don't confuse about logic, just write code. Even if it is right or wrong, no problem. Okay, just start writing on that. Open app.java. Okay, after line number 13, just click on enter and write your logic. Okay, do changes. Next, push to your branch. For push, we have multiple commands: git status, git add, git commit, git push. All these commands we have to enter to send our local code to remote repository. Okay, do quickly. అయిపోయిందా? Is it done? If you have any doubts, you can share your screen. I will guide you, no problem. Open your Eclipse. Where is that your clone project? Okay. SRC main Java. Expand. There is one file app.java. Okay, I told here after line number 13, just add your code. Okay, who is sharing? Karthik. Karthik, is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now push your code to GitHub. No, you have to open where is your code cloned in the project root location. Close this. Click on Hibernate bulk operation. This is a root folder, right? Here you have a .git folder. Where you have a .git folder, you have to open there only. No, don't go inside. Here open git bash. Now how to check what are the different changes you did? Git status. Git status tells what are changes you did from last commit. Working tree. No, don't go inside that git. I told right. CD space. Wait. Click on Hibernate bulk operation. Okay, here down, right click, git bash. Right click, git bash. You should be in your folder. Okay, you are in Hibernate bulk operation. Okay, git status. You can see here what are different files you changed. This saying app.java you changed, manifest.mf you changed, and app.class. So from your side, you did changes for only app.java, but inside Eclipse did another 2 files. Okay, now you want to commit only your file. How to commit? To commit your file, you have to add that into staging area. How to do that? Git add space. Just copy that file. What file you did change? Location. SRC main. No, not file. Here on git bash only. Git bash only. Just copy that SRC main Java. Yeah, that path. Copy that. SRC main Java, com, startech, the red one. First one. First modified SRC main Java ఉంది కదా ఆ పాత్ కాపీ చేసుకో జస్ట్ క్లిక్ 2 times ఆటోమేటిక్గా హైలైట్ అవుతుంది ఓకేనా రైట్ క్లిక్ కాపీ నౌ గిట్ యాడ్ స్పేస్ రైట్ క్లిక్ పేస్ట్ enter. Okay, now this file move to staging area. Now you need to commit. How to do commit? Git commit
Commit -m.
-m. Okay, double colon open. Just write a message, any message. I added even odd program. Okay, now it is moved. Enter. Please tell me who are you. Okay, git config, copy that git config -global username. Complete line. Paste. Just change that you are that example.com, change that to your email ID. If you are not able to change, just copy in notepad.
Example.com or gmail.com.
Gmail, your email ID. Enter. Double colon close చేసినావా? Cancel. Control C. Up arrow button. Double colon close. Enter. Okay, now again git config global username. First check what is your username in GitHub. Okay, na? That username you have to paste here. Now do git commit, use up arrow. No, use up arrow, already you committed, right? You write command. One more time. Okay, again. Git commit -m. Just enter that. This committed. Okay, the committed is in your local repository. Now how to move this local to GitHub? You have to use the command git push. Lakshmi, parallel you also do same. So go to a branch in GitHub.
Okay.
Check your changes. Go to SRC. Okay, your logic is there. Okay.
Okay.
Now up to here, what we did, Karthik done his changes and push into remote repository. Okay, Karthik push into his repository. Up to here, no problem on that. Did not see any issues. Parallel, Lakshmi also do same thing. Okay, she will do some changes on this file only. Okay, and she will push changes to her branch. Here also no problem. When the problem will come? In this case, problem will not face because of that. These two are different branches. That means different duplicate codes. There is no conflicts. Whenever now we are going to take this code to our actual branch. Our actual branch is main branch is master. I am going to take these changes to master branch. Here I may face one issue, git conflict. Okay, git conflict. Now Karthik, you do one thing. I will show to you. Okay. Okay, this process we can call as a pull request. So want to merge, want to combine. Okay, pull request or merge request. So simply shortcut way we can call as a PR or MR. Okay, in companies mostly they will use PR, MR. Just create a PR like that. Okay. So what is the purpose? If we want to combine two branches in remote repository, want to combine two branches in remote repository, we have to raise PR. We have to raise PR. What is PR? Pull request. What is the meaning of request? We are asking someone, we are requesting someone to pull one branch changes to another branch or to merge two different branches. This is request. Okay, this is request. This request will be approved by maybe leaders, decided leaders, maybe who have access, who have approved access. So everyone don't have approved access, only admins have mostly. Okay, this request will be approved by leaders, then it will be approved. In this stage, we can merge, okay, one branch go to another branch. Okay, another branch. What that mean finally? What that mean? We have two different branches. We have two different branches. Here Karthik branch, here Lakshmi branch, and another branch is main branch is there, master branch. Now you can consider 3 branches. We want to combine 2 different branch code. Okay, combine means we can take these 2, we can take this 2, we can take this 2, anything. In this situation, I am going with the sub branch to main branch. I want to merge this code to this code, Karthik branch to master branch. For that, we need to raise a PR, pull request or MR, merge request. So whenever we use pull request or merge request, there is one person, approval person, who have the access to approve the request. They can approve, then only we can click on some button called merge. It will go to the master branch. Okay, go to code, sorry, GitLab. Now I'm showing how to raise a request, pull request. You check here where it is available. Okay, here only full request is there. So you can see here, right? Pull request. Code issues pull request. Click on this. Click on new pull request. Okay. Here it is asking the which branch we have to pull or create a request from Karthik branch to. Okay, see the diagram. From Karthik branch to master branch. Okay, same I'm doing. This is a from. This is a to. This. Comparison. Okay. Stop. Let's check this. Master branch to. This is somewhat different. Master. Okay. So this side is source branch. From where? From. Okay, this is from Karthik underscore Fryman. To where? Master branch. I want to merge this branch to Karthik branch to master branch. This is showing something. These are changes. Okay, these are new. Plus means these are new changes from the master. Okay, plus means this code is not available in the master, but available in the source code. Source is where source is? Source is Karthik. Create a pull request. Okay, write one comment, not comment. Okay, this is PR for Karthik branch to master. Okay, create a pull request. It is created.
On the screen convert on you.
Able to see screen.
On what level? Okay. Input okay na?
Yeah, how you created pull request?
Okay, that I will show again. I think I cannot create now again. It's duplicate request. 1 second.
Generally, no need Bitbucket or something like that. Any other, only within Git we can do pull request.
Okay, okay. I'll show it to you again. Okay, this I am checking how to edit this. Close. Okay, edit is okay. Edit. Close pull request. Okay, I'll try to create new one. I don't know, it will give duplicate like that. Okay. How to create pull request? This is our repository. Up to here, you know already. To create pull request. Pull request means what? Merging one branch to combining one branch to another branch. Here from Karthik to master branch, I want to combine. Before that, this is a protector branch. That means what? No one can be directly merge the code to that branch. Okay, directly cannot be merged by developer. That should be go for some approval flow. That time we can use some pull request or merge request. Both are same. Pull request means just combine these two branches. For that, give me permission to me. Okay, who will give permission? Who have the access? Admin team have the access. Okay, your team lead have the access. Okay. Okay, fine. How to raise pull request? See here. Click on here. Pull request. Here GitHub. You can see directly. But in GitLab there may be a different place. Okay, meaning is same but different place. This pull request option there may be in the corner, in bottom. Okay, in middle. So I cannot say exactly, but there should be some option for the pull request. Internal functionality is same. Okay, create new pull request. Okay, where is the source one? Source one is Karthik to master. See the arrow symbol from Karthik to master. Okay, create pull request. And I want to write one comment. This is first. This is first PR or MR. Create a pull request. Okay, it is very simple. Okay, here very simple. In real time, there may be another options will come. Who will approve? Okay, who needs to be approval? Okay, here reviewers. Let me try to reviewers. I'm giving access to Subbu not available. I'm giving Lakshmi Devi to approve this. Okay. So any wait. Tables projects installed not required. Okay. Anyway, I'm owner. That's why it's giving merge the pull request. Okay, but in real time companies, we don't have access to do merge directly. Okay, we don't have access. Whoever have approval here, they only have access. Okay, these are reviewers, assignees. Okay, they only can access. They can go on, they can click on a merge pull request. Okay, confirm merge. Confirm merge means if I click on confirm merge, in this case, the code, whatever the new changes are in Karthik, this will go to the master branch. Okay. To show you again, go to master. Go to master. This is a master branch. See here, this is master. SRC Java. This is app.class. In app.class, nothing is there after the line number 13. Okay, nothing is there. If you go on approve, confirm the merge, this code, whatever Karthik done, from the Karthik code, it will go to the master branch. And clicking on confirm merge, the merging, pull request is successfully merged and closed. Okay, up to here, fine. And go and see. So what is saying? Pull request is successfully merged. That means the code, whatever there in a Karthik branch, it will successfully went to the master branch. And see that really went or not. Go to master branch. Here, just reload the page. See, code is came. Okay. This is the merge request of pull request. In the between phase, maybe I did not show you who needs to approve. Okay, I did not show you. If I add any person here, they can have access to approve. Okay, fine. Up to here, fine. I will show you again that scenario. Okay, Karthik work is completed. That move to the master branch. Okay. Now second case is Lakshmi code is still pending. Now I want to merge this code to the master. Okay. This task is completed. Now pending one is this one. How to do merge? Same again. Here also we have to raise pull request or merge request. Okay. Let me start raising pull request or merge request. You also can share your screen so I can guide you if required. Okay. Hello. Okay, you can share your screen. I will guide you, no problem.
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen.
Okay, D colon Git practice. You are in Git practice, but not in project. Just see, okay, just confirm to you. Go to line number first one. Okay, where git clone -b. Okay.
Okay.
After that line, what is that line? Just read that. After git clone, what is the next line?
Cloning into Hibernate bulk operation.
Okay, cloning into means cloning into that folder, Hibernate bulk operation. So if you want to do any operation, you should be in that folder. Okay, but you are in Git practice. But you are in Git practice. If you want to do any Git operations, you should go for the Hibernate bulk operation. Okay, go to that location. How to go? Here also we can do same git. Some commands we can use Linux commands. cd. Type cd. cd means change directory.
Okay.
cd space. Type that folder name Hibernate. Just type 2-3 letters and use tab. Tab button. Tab button. I forgot. Small o. Enter. Okay, you are in Hibernate bulk operation project. Folder.
Okay.
Okay, you can see there at the end Lakshmi. That means that is your branch name. That shows you are in Git repository location. Now you did changes in our code. Show me your changes. Okay, some code you written. That is fine. Go to your Git bash. Git status.
Okay.
Git status. That means to check what files you changed.
Okay.
Okay, it is saying modified class path .class path file, modified target manifest.mf. Third one is POM properties. Those three you did not change, but Eclipse changed. That is fine, but where is your changes? It is not showing here. Go open code again.
Okay.
Save that. Again, go to Git bash, Git status. Git status. You can see now, right? Modified app.java, second one. Okay. Okay. The remaining files you did not change. Okay. That ignore about for now. Just to commit this file. Okay. Just to commit this file. What are the commands you need to execute? First one is First one is git add command to add our modified file to staging directory. Git add.
Dot.
Git add, no, not dot. Dot means all files.
Okay.
Only one file means copy that complete file path and paste. Git add. First copy that file, complete location. Double click, right click, copy. Double click, right click. Copy, okay. Now git add space, paste. Now it is moved to the local, sorry, it is a staging repository, staging folder. To move staging folder to local repository, we have to use the git commit message. Git commit.
Most
Write your code, your message. Just prime number logic added. Okay, enter. Okay, same issue for you also. What Karthik did, you also do same. Copy the git config --- global. Config complete line. Copy the 2 lines at a time. 2 lines. Paste in notepad. Okay, just replace your email ID. In the complete git, so what interview questions you face? Mostly they will ask what are the different git commands you use in the project. Okay, what are different commands you use in the project? Just remember 4 to 5 commands and tell same. That is only most important question for git. Okay, double colon close. Okay, what is your username in the git?
Me Devi 733.
Just replace that. Just execute these 2 commands one by one in the git bash. What is the purpose of these 2 commands? Git don't know who are you. Okay, Git don't know who are you. So you ask to commit, how git commit on which user did changes. For the purpose only, we are telling this is my mail ID, this is my username. Okay, just execute these two commands. Enter. Okay, another command. Okay, now do git commit.
What is the problem there, Chanju? Why git config?
Huh?
Why git config -- global?
Just see that message git commit -m prime number logic added. There we got some error like, please tell me who are you. Just read that line. That means what? Git don't know who are you. If Git don't know who are you, how it will commit? That means Git will not allow everyone to commit, right? This is my private repository. Whoever are given access, that person only can allow to modify the changes. Just to tell to Git, I am a user with my username, my email ID, we can tell with the git config command. Okay, enter git commit.
Open the git. Okay.
Yeah, from Eclipse also we can do same commands. Enter git commit message. Okay, this is committed. Up to here, it is in our local folder only, our local repository only. To move to remote, what is the command?
Git push.
Git push. Enter that. Okay, whatever changes you did in app.java, that changes you push into your branch. Okay, up to here no problem because your branch is up to date with your local. Now whenever you try to merge or raise a pull request for your branch to your master branch, okay, it will tell some issues. Okay, let me share my screen, then I will again you can share. So what I am saying, if I raise request up to here, this branch code you move to the your branch. Okay, the code is moved to the your branch. From your branch to we have to merge to master branch. How to do that? We have to raise a pull request or merge request. So to raise pull request or merge request, we can raise with the GitHub, that is fine. But what issue we can face? For the Karthik, there is no issue because whatever the app.java file code is there with the Karthik is same. Okay, is same. That is why there is no issue. But whatever code you have, whatever code in master have, okay, you means here Lakshmi. Whatever Lakshmi have code app.java, here there are changes did by middle person Karthik. Okay, Karthik added even odd number that is in master branch. Now we are going to append that code, your code to line number 13. Okay, how to show this? I don't have local. Okay, so In your local, up to line number 13 code is there. Okay, but in master, it is a new code added by the middle person Karthik. Okay, you are also trying to add new code in your same file. Okay, you are also trying to add different code in the same file. Okay, that time it will get a conflict. What conflict it will give? In the line number 13 to after line number 13, another person Karthik added. Okay, you are also coming and trying to add line number 13, Lakshmi. So which code I can put? Which code I can put? That is why it will throw some error that is called conflicts. What is the meaning of conflicts? So in this case, two different persons did changes on same file. Okay, that changes causing a issue for the GitHub. How to merge? That is called conflict. Okay, fine. I'm raising merge request. Okay, or else you can share. I'll tell you how to raise merge request. Lakshmi, you can share your screen. So already I told how to raise merge request, right? Okay, I told my system. Now I'm going to tell to you with your hands on. Just go to GitHub. Okay, here you want to raise a merge request for your branch to master branch. Okay, where is anything you can see pull request, merge request in your page? Search for pull request.
Yeah.
Click on that. Okay, create new pull request. New pull request. Okay, see here main. Okay, below the compare changes main you can see. Where, observe the arrow mark from where to where. Okay, from to. Okay, from which branch? Your branch. Select your branch.
Lakshmi is in which branch? Chanchu Subbareddy. It is your GitHub account.
No, that is my GitHub account, and in the account I created one project. That project I given to access. That's why it is saying my username.
So Lakshmi push the code into Git, into her Git remote area, her remote area, isn't it?
Yes. Her remote area, that is correct, but that project is who is the owner? That project.
Owner is you only.
That's why it is showing my name.
Yes.
Okay, if you create any repository, any project, and you share to different people, those people see your username.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, from Lakshmi to main master branch. Okay, it is saying something. Go down. This is your new code.
Okay.
Okay, now go up somewhat. You can see any options there. Click on create pull request. You click on the new reviewers. Click on that top one. Select the Karthik name. Okay. Only once. Select once. Okay. Select. Click outside. Okay. It is selected. Okay. Asani also same. Same Karthik name. Okay. You assign to Karthik. Now click on create pull request. First write some comment. This is merging code from Lakshmi to something like that. Okay, fine. Click on create pull request. Go down. Should give some conflicts. Okay, see that line. This branch has conflicts that must be resolved. Okay, what that mean conflict? Okay, before that, click on resolve conflict. You can see what are different conflicts are there. This in this file. Okay, go down. Another scroll bar. Okay, here you can see line number 15 to 31 is 1% code. 32 to 41 is another person code. It is saying which code has to be finalized. I don't know. That is saying by GitHub. Okay, which code has to be there. Now we should resolve the conflict. Okay, we should resolve. So we have to tell to GitHub. Okay, GitHub, you don't confuse. I will give clarity to you. How to give clarity? You want to place both codes, both person codes, or if you want to remove one person code and place another person code, that you have to decide. If you don't know, you can see the commit messages, whoever given the commit messages. Okay, how to do commit? Go up once. Where we can see commit messages here. Next, okay, on conflict. There should be one. Go back, one step back. One step back. Okay, here it is saying something. It's all conflict. So conflict files are app.java file. And who is pending? Reviewers. Okay, so we can see somewhere okay, you can see top one. Okay, Lakshmi Devi 7377 requested review from the Karthik, that is fine. Assigned to Karthik, is fine. Somewhere we can see commits also. Okay, I will say later. We can use web editor or command line to resolve conflicts. Click on resolve conflict again. Resolve conflicts. Okay, somewhere we can see like where we can like who is committed the code. Okay, these two codes belongs to which developer, that we can see. So here we can show, right, top one is Lakshmi's code, down is some other's code. Those people will sit and identify which code has to be there. If you feel both people feel, okay, the code which is edited by the both people, the code should be available, then they have to remove these comments only. Else, maybe the conflict tells only Lakshmi code should be there, Karthik code has to be removed. That is the finalized code. In that case, remove the second part, line number 31 to go down, 31 to 42, I think. Okay. Okay. So here my decision is maybe developers sit and they finalize both code should be available. In that case, just remove that line number 15, 31, 41.
Sanjay, now you are accessing not Lakshmi. Your GitHub it is your GitHub.
Yes.
Is
okay.
It? Okay.
Okay. Just remove the line number 15, 31, 42. You can remove here if it is available. Just check you can remove or not. Yes, you can edit, remove that. If it's not able to editable, we can have to clone into our local. Okay, remove that all these three lines. That means we finalize the both people's code should be available. Okay, go down, up, mark as resolved, right? Last one. Okay. Click on that. Commit merge. Go down. Okay. Now we can see that conflicts has resolved. That's why it is saying green color. This branch has no conflicts. Okay. You have merge pull request. Okay. You have that merge pull request because because I did not make this repository as a secure. That is why you have this option. Otherwise, you don't have this option. Who have the actions? That option who have? That have only whoever you given the reviewer, top one, Karthik. Okay. Click on that merge pull request. Confirm. In this stage, your code is moved to the master branch. And go and see master branch. Go and see master branch. Work. Just check your file, that app.java, your changes is there or not.
Source.
SRC. Always our source code there in the SRC folder. SRC, click on that.
In the comment. Click.
Reload that. Maybe reload
Click.
that page. Now try. Click on SRC.
Click on comment, Ramesh.
Fail reload the commit. Click on that. Go to Hibernate main Java, that one. Okay. Click on that. Open app.java. You can see your changes also. Okay. You can see your changes and Karthik changes because you decided to place both changes. Okay. This is the way of to resolve the conflicts. Okay. So I want to tell one more last topic, the git ignore file. What is git ignore file? Now go to your git bash and do git status. You can see here the class path file, manifest file, properties file, app.class. These all files you did not change, but still Git is showing to you. Okay, Git is showing to you. These files are you changed, but actually you did not change. How to tell to Git? How to tell to Git? Okay, these files, even there is changes, don't show. Which files? That I will tell you. Okay, how to tell? That is git ignore. We are creating one file, git ignore. Based on that, git identifies even that files are, there is changes, it should not be shown. Go to your project location. Go to project location. Okay, git practice. Open that. Here we have to create one file. One file. Right click, create new file. New file. Go to Git base if you are confusing. Okay, how to create file from the UI, you know, in the command, with the commands you can do it. Maybe you don't know Linux commands, it's better to learn. Okay, whenever I get a chance, I will tell one by one. If you want to create one file or folder with the commands, we can create. Okay, there are some Linux commands and Windows commands. Better to learn Linux commands. So in the Linux, how to create a file? We have to use a touch command. Right touch space dot ignore. Ignore spelling. Git ignore, not ignore. Dot git ignore. GITIGNORE. Touch space dot git ignore, not only ignore. No, remove that ignore. Remove that ignore. Now write git ignore. Okay, ignore, enter. This is a command to create a file with, this is a command to create a file. Go to your workspace location folder and check this file is created or not. Local, see here, git ignore, it is created, right? It is created just now. Git ignore, dot git ignore. Click on that, open with notepad. This is a special file. This is a special file to customize our Git functionality. Okay. So in this we can write, okay, slash target is correct. Go to next line. Next line, write dot properties. Dot properties or star dot properties. Star dot properties. Star symbol starting, line number 2. Next line, star dot mf. Capital MF. Okay, now go to Git bash once. Okay, MF file, properties file. Okay, go to again that file. Next line, star dot class. Just we are telling to Git, if any changes I am doing all this type of files, star dot class. That means any class name dot ends with the dot class, or else next one is dot mf. Any file ends with mf. Any file ends with properties. First one is any file after target folder. These files are changed, then don't show to me. Okay, don't show to me. That is the purpose. Just save this. Control S. If you are not able to save, just copy that. You have to open with notepad. This is Visual Studio thing. Copy complete lines. Copy. Close this. Close this. Close. No, click on class mark. It will close. Top class mark. Okay, open with notepad. Open with notepad, not this one. That dot ignore file, dot git ignore file, open with notepad. Click on dot git ignore. Cancel. Not required. Click on git ignore file. Right click. Right click. Right click. Right click.
Okay.
Okay. Open with it. Show all options. Last one. Show more options. Anything open with data? లేదా? Should be open with some notepad file. How to open? It is not coming to you. Okay, again, right click on that. Okay, it is not showing to you. I don't know the reason for that. Okay. Okay, fine. Go to Git bash. Here we can type Vim editor. We can take. Okay. Just use VI. VA space. Touch ignore. Dot touch ignore. No, not sorry. VA space dot git ignore. Enter. Okay. Okay. Fine. Just close this. Okay. How to show to you? Close this and again open the Git bash here.
Actually, by mistake, Git bash could have closed me.
Okay, okay. Okay, how to edit? Why it is not coming to you? So let. This is dir. Dir directory. Enter. Okay, so the target. Now how to edit? Why it is not coming to you? Not understanding. Go to Eclipse. Better. Project refresh. Right click on the project. Hibernate bulk operation. Right click. Refresh. Refresh. Middle. It is not coming. Okay. 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 How to test that? I'm not understanding. Wait, I'm testing my system better. In my system, I can see that. Open with. Okay. Better give control to me for now. Let me check. It is. See here, we open with it there. Notepad. That's what I'm asking. Notepad. Okay, here just paste that. Where is that line number? Okay, already there. Already saved. It's fine. It is saved already. No issue on that. Close and go to git bash. Now check git status. It is showing all these files. Git ignore. Okay. It is showing all these files. The spelling mistake, anything? Yes, I guess I. Okay, it should work basically. It should not show git bash. Let me reopen this. Target properties file .mf file. Okay, class target. That is a problem. Class target. Okay, this git ignore file is not working. I will check from my side. Reason for this. Okay, just git ignore file. What is the reason, purpose of this? Whenever we do any changes on that file, git won't track. Okay, git won't consider. Example, if you do any changes on properties file, if you do any changes on manifest file, okay, those changes will not detect by the git. Okay, for that purpose only we can use the git ignore file. Okay, we can specify that what are the files or what are the format of the files. Okay, example, all the properties file. How to tell all the properties file? You can open notepad here. You can see I'm saying git don't consider all the properties file. That is why I mentioned star. Any file is ending with the properties file. Any file is ending with the mf file. Any file which is ending with the dot class. These files, any changes happen, you don't consider. Okay, like that we can tell by using the git ignore. Okay, this is the purpose. But unfortunately, it is not working. I don't know reason for that. Any mistake we did, dot git ignore. Spelling correct, right? Okay. I don't know what mistake I did. I will recheck. I will confirm again. Okay. This is all about Git concept, Git tool.